Scanning a supply can be a time saver depending on how you work. QR codes are added to a supply rather than a supply type because the QR code needs location information in order to work properly. The QR code sticker can then be added to the bin, drawer, or other container where that supply is kept. We don't recommend attaching QR codes to individual supplies because of the number of stickers that would be needed. We'll start by adding a QR code to the supply. This can be done by clicking QR in the navigation bar and then clicking Add a QR code. Add the code by manually typing it in or by scanning a QR code label. The QR code should now show up in the QR codes panel. The easiest way to use supplies at a location by scanning is to first go to the location in app and click Consume Supply Scan. Starting a scan this way sets the default to the current location. Scan the code. I'm using an emulator, so I will type in the code. A dialog will appear prompting for the quantity. Enter the quantity and click Use. Another way to scan is to activate the generic scanning in the app by clicking the QR code button at the bottom of the screen. Scan the code. A dialog will appear with multiple options. You can use the supply at a location, transfer the supply, or view the supply details. If we choose Use Supply at Location, the dialog changes and we are asked for a location. Pick a location, decide whether to backdate, and then specify the quantity to use. Click the Use button. The supply will be marked as used at that location and should show up on the supply usage page. We'll go into more details about the supply usage page in another video. After the dialog closes, the scanner remains active so that you can continue scanning other items. We'll scan another item and this time select Transfer Quantity/Amount to another supply. The scanned supply will appear at the top of the dialog. Select the location you want to transfer the supply to. If the location does not have a supply of this type, there will be a notification that one will be created. Backdate if necessary and set the quantity. Click Transfer.